Hello guys, this is SciCentral PC here, and today I'm going to talk about while loops. These loops are incredibly useful in C++, and you're going to find yourself using them a lot. So firstly, I'm going to teach you guys the structure, and it goes as following. So first you type in while, then you put here, I don't know, the condition, and whether it's true or false. It's not between brackets, but still. Okay, so then you have here, do this, and do this, and finally do this. And while this condition is true or false, depending on what you put here, it will continue doing this loop. So I'm going to give you guys a quick example just to show you how this works. Let me quickly delete everything. So while, actually let's make first an integer, int x. So let's see out, enter a random value. I can't seem to spell today. So let's get the user to enter something. So let's say while x, let's say is smaller than 20. Let's put this in between curly brackets. See out x, then let's put here a comma. I'll explain this to you guys in a second. And out, then x plus plus. Now, I'm gonna explain to you guys this. So, I know you don't know what this is just yet. I'll explain it in just a bit. So, the basics: enter random value. The guy or the girl, depending who the program enters this in. And while the value of x is less than 20. Say print out x, then just a comma, so it'll basically be x comma x comma x comma, and then x plus plus. So what the plus plus does is basically equal to x is equal to x plus 1, but that's it's odd to say the least. So people do x plus plus, it always adds 1 to x. What you can also do is, for example, if you want to add 2 or custom values, plus then equals the value which you want. So for example, 2. You can also multiply, which is like this, the asterisk plus and then the equal, and say 2. And you can also have the divide, which is the 4 dash equals, and I don't know, 3, for example. And you can also do the minus minus. Make sure this is together. There's no spaces. So then there's also minus minus, which removes 1. And there's minus equals 2, for example, which is minus is 2 every time. So you put plus plus. So that was just a really quick example. Let's now build and run this. Hopefully I have no errors. Nothing. Okay, good. Let's enter 1. As you see here, 1. Oh, I entered the line. That's why it's not working. My bad. Sorry. So let's build and run this. Enter random value 1 is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, blah, blah, blah. So it goes to 19. As you see, it goes to 19, doesn't go to 20 because we didn't put equals to. So what this does is it gets the value of x, which I entered 1. So it displays 1. So then actually before it displays 1, it enters into this loop. And then it says, okay, so it's x less than 20. It is. So what do I need to do? Okay, so I need to print out x plus a comma. It's over here. Then I need to display. I already say display. Then add 1 to x. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. See if everything's fine. Oh no, it's still not fine. The condition does not match. So let's do this again, until x is less or is equal to 20. So that's basically what's happening. And yeah, you can do lots of things. These things are really useful. You can make a program go on forever. Because if you just want a condition to be forever, well, we could say true, just put 1 here. I know it's slightly bad programming habit, but this will go on forever. So like if I just run this and I put 2, you see it just goes on forever. And if you want the program ever to stop, for example, if you can also put if statements here. So for example, if x is less than 20. I know you could. This is an example because I'm actually going to teach you guys much later a really complex rock paper scissors. But that's going to be when we learn about f streams. So that's going to be a while, which I'm going to use this. So I'm gonna say x plus plus, else. Then I'm just doing this so I can introduce you guys to a new keyword. This works on loops and only loops, which is break. So now if we just run this, what break does, it exits the loop. So okay, so the loop is in between these two brackets. What it does, it goes through this. Okay, goes through if. Okay, let's do this again, this again, this again, this again, this again, etc. So it does this forever until it matches the condition, and then after it goes to the else, then it goes to break. What break is, it exits out of the loop, so it goes out of this and goes directly to the next piece of coding. So it can either be exit the loop and display this, or exit the loop and then it's like you could put like here, see out the loop ended. Now if we run this, hopefully I don't have any errors. Let's quickly end the line here. Now if I run this, what happened? Okay, hey guys, I just fixed the program here. Put it to see out x, and I just forgot the semicolon x plus plus. So let's run this. Now if we enter 1, as you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it says the loop has ended, which shows that it reached 19, and then it went through the break. Then right after the break, it's outside. Actually, outside the loop, it says see out, loop has ended. So yeah, that's while loops for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Slice Central PC, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.